Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is triangles and their properties. So first of all, we will see what is a triangle. A triangle is a three-sided figure where, for example, we can see triangle ABC. You can see three sides, side AB, side BC and side AC. So it is a three-sided figure and it is also a closed figure. Means it is not open as angle PQR. Okay, so it is not a open figure, it is a closed figure. A triangle is a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments. So it is a closed figure, as I said, and it is joined by three non-collinear points. Three non-collinear points means the points which are not on the same line. You can see in the triangle ABC. One point is here up, one is here and one is here. So they are not on the same line. They are different. Okay, so they are known as the non-collinear points and they are joined by the line segments. The lines AB, line BC and line AC. So they are joined together. So the triangle is a closed figure. Next is the vertices, sides and angles of a triangle are called the parts of the triangle. So always a triangle is having vertices, sides and the angles. Now what do you mean by vertices? The two lines, when they join at a particular point, it is known as a vertex. For example, line BA and line CA. These two lines are joining at point A. So this A is a vertex. Next is vertex B. Here line AB and line CB are joined at point B. So we got a vertex B. Next is vertex C. It is joined by line AC and BC. Okay, so these are the three vertices in a triangle. Now sides. Line AB is a one side, next side BC and line side CA. Okay, so these are the three sides of a triangle. Angles, same like vertices, when the two lines are joining, they form one angle. Okay, so here when these two lines like line BA and line CA are joined at a vertex A, so we got a angle. Okay, next angle is B and next angle is C. So like that there are the three parts for a triangle. Next we will see types of triangle based on sides. Okay, so here there are three triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. So these are the three triangles. They are based on their sides. Now here you can see this angle is having three sides, side AB, side AC and side BC. Here also there are three sides and here three sides. Now whenever you are writing the length of the side, now suppose this is a triangle, here the side is AB. Now this triangle is having side AB and it will be 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. So whenever you are writing this line AB, you will be writing as length of AB. Length means now it is a 3 centimeter. So you have to write your line length of AB. So length of AB is how much? 3 centimeter. So this is a sign for length and in the bracket you have to write the side. Next we will see three types of triangle. One is equilateral triangle, one is isosceles triangle and one is scalene triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? A triangle with all three sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. Means, for example, if you draw a triangle A, B, C, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. So all are having 3 centimeter sides. So this is known as an equilateral triangle, and the shape also will be same. All the lines will be of same size or same centimeter. So that is known as an equilateral triangle. Next one, an isosceles triangle. A triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. So here the triangle will be again triangle ABC. Here only two sides will be same. So it can be side AB and AC, otherwise AB and BC, any two sides. Okay. So when two sides are same, it is known as an isosceles triangle. Next is scalene triangle. A triangle with no two sides equal is called a scalene triangle. No two sides means all the sides are different. Okay, so like that, all the three sides will be different. It is known as a scalene triangle. Next we'll see types of triangle based on angles. Now here three types of triangles are there. One is acute triangle, right angle, and obtuse triangle. Okay, there are the three triangles. Acute triangle means the triangle which is less than 90 degrees. So it can be 60, it can be 30, it can be 80. Okay. Next is right angle. Right triangle is always 90 degree. So this is a sign of a 90 degree. Next is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle means it will be more than 90 degrees. So it can be 100, 101, 102, 10, anything. Okay. So these are the three triangles. One more thing, whenever you are writing the measure of the triangle, so it will be like that: M, angle sign, and whichever angle, if you are taking, if I am taking angle E, I will write measure of angle E. Measure means, suppose this is 30 degree. So measure of angle E is how much? 30 degree. Okay. Same way in this triangle Q is 90 degree. So measure of angle Q is 90 degree. The next property is the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the measures of the three angles. Now suppose if I draw a triangle PQR, a triangle is having three sides. So whatever measurement, suppose this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 90 degree. So 30 plus 90, it became 120, and the third one is 60 degree. Okay, so together all the three angles, it should be 180 degree. So whenever you will add, you have to get 180 degree. Next property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. So this is a triangle. In a triangle, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. So if you take this and this side, if together, if you plus it, you have to get bigger number than the third side. So this is the property. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. We'll see practice set 36. First question, observe the figures below and write the types of the triangle based on its angles. So here angles are given. You have to say it is which type of a triangle. Now triangle PQR. Here the sign is given of 90 degree. So it is a which triangle? It is an right triangle. So here you have to write as right angled triangle. Okay. Next one is triangle XYZ. The degree is given 125, means it is more than 90. So more than 90 is always an obtuse angle. Okay. So it is an obtuse angled triangle. Next one is triangle LMN. LMN is having 3 degrees. One is 70 degree, one is 48 degree, and one is 62 degree. And they are as acute triangle, means they all the degrees are less than 90 degrees. So it is an acute angled triangle. Next question is, observe the figures below and write the type of the triangle based on its sides. Sides means equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. So first one is having all the three sides same. See, the sign is given one line. So means all the sides are same. So it is a equilateral triangle. Next one, all three sides are different. See, DE is different, EF is different, and DF is different. So all the three sides different means it is a scalene triangle. Third one, the two sides are same, so it is an isosceles triangle.